Here's a 1990 Ford Mustang Convertible LX. As you can see, it's got a few aftermarket things done to it. Style bar there in the back. Aftermarket wheel. Powered by a 5-liter 302 underneath the hood. You can see it's got a Cervini hood on it also. That 302 is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Car runs out and drives out nice. Has a little over 70,000 original miles on it. We'll take a look at the odometer when we get around there, and I'll start it up, let you hear it run and everything. Nice little rumble to it. You can check out the exhaust and the underside pics and interior under the hood. All those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Color, it's obviously white, but it's got a little bit of pearl to it. I don't know if I'd really call it a diamond white or a white with a little bit of pearl to it. Kind of a cool looking color in this car. Take a peek at the interior. Cloth bucket, center console. Does have an aftermarket stereo. Kenwood, I believe it is, or Eclipse. One of the two. And if you look at the trunk pics, I'll also give you the heads up. You're going to see what looks like a NOS bottle back there. That is actually a subwoofer. Bazooka speaker in it. Bazooka might even made that subwoofer. Looks like a NOS bottle. This does not have NOS on it. It's a 5-liter 302. No juice running to it. You can also see dual exhaust coming out the back there. They've touched up the bumper, a little bit of white tape covering that up. If that was originally an LX bumper, now it has GT exhaust on it, or if that was a one exhaust coming out of say a 4-cylinder back in the day or 6-cylinder back in the day. But they did cover it up a little bit of white tape. If you wanted to doctor that up a little bit, make it perfect, get your fiberglass in or just get a new bumper cover. Other than that, paint pretty darn nice shape on it. There's a few spots on the front fascia and the front bumper where it's been stressed a little bit. You can see the cracks, and I'm going to show you a couple spots. Kind of one right there in the clear, the black going around, and then there's one little one up here where the front fascia was stressed and some of the paint's popped off. But you want to make it perfect, paint the front and rear fascias. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Biggest thing about this car, be a nice driver. Fun summer car. That V8 in there. Convertible top down. Here's got a nice rumble to it. There's the miles. It was 79,058. As you can see, oil pressure works, gas gauge works. Battery, and of course the temp will come up when the car warms up. Wasn't a clip stereo, see it there. 5-speed with a Hurst shifter. I would bet that's a Tremec 5-speed. This car is fuel injected also, by the way. It's a late enough Fox body Mustang. It does have fuel injection to it. It's not carbureted. Come around to the back here, that rumble. Like I said, nice driver quality car. Give us a call if you have any questions on this. 507-386-1726. Like I said, you check out the underside pics, interior, trunk, engine bay. Those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. 1990 Ford Mustang LX Convertible, powered by a 5-liter 302 with a 5-speed manual transmission paired to it.